I maxed out my credit cards and cannot make minimum payments. Should I call the credit cards and ask them to lower my monthly payments or just go through bill pay? So if you maxed them out and you can't make the minimum payments, they're going to report you late. Once they report you late, your score is going to go down. Once you've missed 6 payments, it's going to go into charge-off status and collection status, and they're going to do one of two things. They're going to sell it to a collection company, or they're just going to sue you. That's what's going to happen. So collection company or sue you after 6 months. If you truly can't make the payment, calling them is most likely not going to do anything for you. And the reason why is because they have what's called default insurance on that credit card. And the default insurance doesn't kick in until you miss a payment. So think about it this way. It's like car insurance. You got full coverage on your car. If you called your insurance company and say, hey, I can't make my payment next month, thinking about wrecking this car, can you just save me the trouble of committing insurance fraud and totaling my car and just send me a check, and then I'll just give you the car, and then it's not wrecked? That's essentially what happens. The insurance company would be like, no, we can't do anything for you. It's the same thing with the credit card. They're going to say, I'm sorry, we can't do anything for you until you miss a payment. The reason they can't do anything until you miss the payment is because they have default insurance that doesn't kick in until you miss the payment. Once you miss payment, they simply file an insurance claim when it charges off, and they get all their money, minus their deductible. And then they sell it to someone else. Okay? So they're not going to do anything for you until you miss a payment. If you've already missed a payment, they'll do something for you. At that point, I would simply reach out to us, and I'll put you in touch with Tina. She's our paralegal that does all of our debt settlement, and she'll get that debt settled for you for a fraction of what you owe, wipe out 100% of the interest, wipe out all the late fees, and put you on a payment plan with no interest, no late fees, and we can get it deleted from the credit report once we get you on the payment plan. So I would do everything you can to make the minimum payments. If you can't make it and you get behind, let us know. We'll get you introduced to our paralegal. She'll work out a settlement for you and save you a ton of money.